Hello everyone. So on Fridays we do a pitch class from 10 to 11 and we go over certain scenarios that we encounter out in the field or when we're on the phone with people while trying to establish and build relationships. This is Lauren. She's one of our new agents and she comes to the pitch class quite often.
Yeah, so being a brand new agent talking to clients for the first time can be pretty intimidating. So going to the pitch classes has just really taught me how to communicate, given me some pointers that I can rely on in conversation, and just made it overall much more comfortable.
Experienced agent.
It's for everyone. So we want everybody to come and try it out. We have a lot of fun. We role play, we throw out scenarios. Sometimes we'll do a live phone call just to see how we communicate with others. So it's a great time and I recommend everybody come to it. So.
Sounds great. Thanks guys.
You're welcome.